Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see Spotify password if you forget it. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Spotify and click on the gear icon on the top right and hit in settings. You can see no option to see your password. So how you can do that? You simply need to go back and you simply need to open your Gmail or anywhere and click on your profile picture and click on Google account. Here you need to scroll and click on security. Then you simply need to scroll down until you will see an option of password manager. Click on that option and here you can see an option to Spotify. Click on that, enter your patron, and here is my password of Spotify that if I click on here I can see, but I do not want to show. So this is the process by which you can see your Spotify password if you forget it. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.